Tuli mu Palamenti y'eggwanga Uganda omuliro guli no gutokota anti abavandimwe oba abanarwanda ababeera mu ggwanga Uganda abali mu kwekubira nduulu abayise baagala mbu basose okubonyaabonyezebwa mu Uganda baagala bafulibwe bannayuganda abajjuvu mbu bingi batafuna batatuukibwako nga Abanarwanda be Uganda mbu basosolebwa nnyo gavumenti ya General Museveni ekiri eno bawandise olukalala lunene bweruti namutaayika abali mu ddusoma eri abaka ba Parliament era nga luno lukwatiddwa omukulu Gonzaga Sewungu okuva eri Buddu.
To institutionalize this avenue, the citizens engage Parliament under Rule 30 of the Rules of Procedure and the details of the structures of the petitions. The Honorable Member of Parliament, who is representing the Banyarwanda in the House, will now read the petition. And that is Honorable Sewungu Joseph Gonzaga.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. And as I said last time, there are very many inside here hovering and rotating, all Banyarwanda. But Madam Speaker, a petition, I'm moving under Rule 30 of the Rules of Procedure of Parliament, of the Parliament of the Republic of Uganda. Madam Speaker, the petitioners of the Council for Abavandimwe, a duly registered association representing the Ugandan Banyarwanda community, presented on their behalf by I, Sewungu Joseph Gonzaga, MP Kalungu County West, Member of Parliament. Showeth and states as follows. 1. That the Banyarwanda feature in the 1995 Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as one of the indigenous tribes of Uganda. 2. That the Uganda Banyarwanda became an indigenous tribe following the annexation of Rwanda's border territories, Kisoro, Kigezi, Ndorwa, among others. Madam Speaker, that the 1926 colonial population census found a sizable population of Banyarwanda living within the boundaries of Uganda. 4. That the Ugandan Banyarwanda are facing serious citizenship rights violations at the hands of both the National Migration Registration Authority, NIRA, and the Ministry of Internal Affairs Immigration Department, where they are denied national identity cards and passports. 5. That many Uganda Banyarwanda have returned from abroad for either study or work to renew their passports, acquire or renew their national identity cards, and have been told that they do not qualify to be Ugandan passport or national identity card holders. At times, this has led to loss of jobs or study opportunities for these persons. 6, Madam Speaker, that the Ugandan Banyarwanda have not only been denied passports and national identity cards, but the previous passports held by these persons have been confiscated, which has caused pain, suffering, and psychological torture, and has exposed them to abuse and violation and denied them their right of association. 7, Madam Speaker, the Ugandan Banyarwanda have been denied opportunities for employment both in Uganda and abroad, since they are unable to provide national identity cards or passports to confirm and substantiate their identity as Ugandans. 8, that not only have the Uganda Banyarwanda been denied employment opportunities, but they are unable to open bank accounts, register companies, register phone lines in their names, which is denying them a right of livelihood and also costing the country revenue from the foreign remittances. 9, Madam Speaker, that some Ugandan Banyarwanda whose passports expired are stuck in the Middle East and other countries around the world without any assistance from the Ugandan foreign missions and embassies because they are deemed not to be Ugandan citizens. Madam Speaker, 10, that some of the Ugandan Banyarwanda have been unable to travel abroad for better or specialized health care, which has cost them their lives. 11, that despite their meeting with the Minister of Internal Affairs and the Director, Immigration, and several other attempts to meet the officials from National Immigration Registration Authority and the Ministry of Internal Affairs, Immigration Department, nothing has been done to address this plight. Now, therefore, your humble petitioners pray that, 1, Madam Speaker, the relevant committee of Parliament investigates the segregation and violation of the rights of the Ugandan Banyarwanda in Uganda and makes a report. 2, the House urges the National Immigration Registration Authority, NIRA, and Ministry of Internal Affairs, Immigration Department, to issue national identity cards and passports the Ugandan Banyarwanda based on their recognition by the 1995 Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as a tribe in Uganda. And your humble petitioners are duly bound and will ever pray. And here too, your humble petitioners have appended their signature, Madam Speaker. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you so much, the representative and the honorable member of parliament of
Madam Speaker, I was.
Honorable members, they don't debate on a petition.
No, yeah, I was only concluding.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, and also to make records clear, we are seriously saying that the segregation is within Ministry of Internal Affairs, not within fellow Ugandans. So when they come, and I want to correct this because in Uganda these days, everybody is an editor in the social media. So we are complaining about segregation in the Ministry of Internal Affairs and migration. Not otherwise, the rest we are enjoying. That's why I'm a member of parliament. And I know members will take this in good faith. And lastly, Madam Speaker, it is very painful that someone is getting a letter from LC1 chairman, he gets clearance from LC2 chairman, LC3, he pays money for the passport, and at the end of the day, is thrown out, denied the passport. So we pray that this petition finds your good wisdom, Madam Speaker, and the interest that is handled as we direct. I beg to move, Madam Speaker.
Thank you so much, honorable members. Pursuant to Rule 30 of the Rules of Procedure, the petition stands. Please lay.
Madam Speaker, I beg to lay.
Thank you. And the petitioners have appended their signatures. Honorable Tebeyagala, the Rules of Procedure as per Rule 30 does not allow a petition to be debated upon. If you have an issue in regard to the petition that has been laid on table, you go to the committee and present your issues. Honorable members, pursuant to Rule 30 of the Rules of Procedure, the petition stands referred to the Committee of Defense and Internal Affairs. And the time frame of 45 days as per Rule 3010 stands. So the petition is yes, but I've already referred it, okay?
Item 3.
It has a procedural issue.
Madam Speaker, I am alive to Rule 30 and your guidance. While on the floor, I sought clarification, but I could raise it as a procedural issue. Your referral notwithstanding. Some time back, I read in the papers that there was a community before courts over an issue related to this. And I just wanted to find out whether the sub-judice rule would not catch us with this referral. That was the clarification I wanted to seek, so that we are very clear on it.
The sub-judice rule will not suffice. It is to the pronouncement of the speaker that it will do, but it won't. So let the petition go to the committee.
Item 3,
Item.
motion for resolution of Parliament to pay tribute to the government of Uganda for the successful bid to host the 2024 and 2025.
Byebyo ebiri mu Parliament y'eggwanga abanafu abavandimwe Abanarwanda kazi bayayanira eddembe lyabwe mu Uganda bagamba teri bulungi tebayisibwa bulungi bayisibwa nga byonziira ate nga nabo bannayuganda era baagala Parliament ekikwatemu batereeze embeera eno akati nno bw'ato maama nango speaker ensonga sise mukadiko bannokola ku nsonga zino ate baffe Abanarwanda basobola okuba nabo beyagalira mu ggwanga Uganda ng'abaana b'abazungu binekiro agala nnyo gye muli Mukama Katonda gwe nsaba bakuumire tujja kuba tuddamu batayi mweraba.